Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. We just hopped off a flight and I saw that it says our former Prime Minister Edward Seaga has died. And I'm sorry if you hear the AC going in the vehicle, but let's get into the story. And it says the country has been plunged into mourning on the news of the death of former Jamaican Prime Minister and Jamaica Labour Party leader Edward Philip George Seaga on Tuesday. His passing marks at the end of an era, as he knows that he was the last of Jamaica's pre-independence politicians. Having been appointed to the then Legislative Council, now the Senate, in 1959. He was also the last surviving member of the framers of Jamaica's independence constitution.
He was the one who formed the relationship between the IMF and Jamaica.
That too. He was also the country's 5th Prime Minister who was admitted to a hospital in Miami, Florida just under 3 weeks ago. He died on his 89th birthday. He had been battling cancer for some time. Seaga served as Prime Minister from November 1980 to February 1989. He was born on May 28, 1930 in Boston, Massachusetts, in the United States of America, to Jamaican parents. He was named after his father, Philip George Seaga. His mother was Erna Nee Maxwell. His parents took him to Jamaica when he was just 3 months old, and he was baptized in Kingston Anglican Church. The young Seaga attended Woolmer's Boys' School in Kingston, where he excelled both academically as well as a half a dozen sporting disciplines. He later attended Harvard University in the United States, graduating in 1952 with a degree in sociology. It was his work as a sociologist that brought him into contact with the people of West Kingston, an area he would transform into a political fortress. Seaga was nominated to serve in the Legislative Council by Sir Alexander Bustamante in 1959, when he was just 29 years old. Wow. And you have to be 25 in the US to serve in the Senate. Wow. In 1961, he served on the committee that drafted Jamaica's independence constitution. He would soon rewrite history as after winning the West Kingston seat that had been a political graveyard for even senior Labourites, with none managing to hold the seat for more than one term. Seaga not only won it in 1962, but held the seat for 43 unbroken years until his retirement from politics in 2005. This is a record for both Jamaica and the wider Caribbean region. Wow. So he did a lot as far as Jamaica Constitution is concerned. Seaga was appointed Minister of Development and Welfare in 1962. That marked the beginning of a stint that would lead to him being regarded as the politician who has done the most for the nation, building in terms of institution with far-reaching and long-term impact. It was during that time that he started the transformation of Back-a-Wall or Dongo into Tivoli Gardens, complete with a maternity clinic, community center, and all the trappings of a modern community. the people of West Kingston would send him back to Gordon House for 10 consecutive elections. Wow. After the JLP won in 1967 general elections, Seaga was named the Minister of Finance and Planning. The JLP lost the 1972 general elections to Michael Manley People's National Party, and in 1974, Seaga became JLP leader, a position he had held for nearly 31 years. Wow. Seaga's biggest political achievement came in October of 1980 when he famously won a landslide victory over Manley and the PNP, securing the last mandate ever by a political party. Seaga won 51 of the 60 seats in the House of Representatives as Jamaica bought into his deliverance message. In 1983, Seaga won a snap election as the PNP boycotted polls. He appointed independents to serve in the Senate during that period when his party controlled all 60 seats in the House of Representatives. So Seaga contributed a lot to Jamaica and Jamaica's political scene. Condolence goes out to his family and friends and everyone that knew him and loved him. I'm no Labourite or PNP, but when respect is due, you have to give it to the person. And he died at 89. He lived a long life. So condolence goes out to everybody that knew him and loved him, and he's off to a better place. Say bye, Tata. Say bye. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces. We're home.